In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Microsoft Authenticator. This is a common point of confusion, so let's clear it up right away. Microsoft Authenticator doesn't have a traditional sign out button like many apps do. Instead, you effectively sign out by removing the accounts stored in the app. You can remove just one account for a partial sign out or remove everything for a complete sign out. If you only want to sign out one account, start by opening the Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap the account you want to remove so you're viewing its details. Next, tap the settings icon, usually shown as a small gear. From there, choose Remove Account and confirm when prompted. That's it. That specific account is now signed out from the app, and you won't receive approval prompts or one-time codes for it anymore. This is useful if you've changed jobs, no longer need that login, or want to reduce notifications without affecting your other accounts. If you want to sign out completely, meaning remove every account from the app, there's a straightforward way to do this on Android. Go to your phone's settings, then tap Apps. Find and select Microsoft Authenticator. Open Storage or Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Data. Confirm the action. This wipes all app data, which removes every account from Microsoft Authenticator on that device, giving you a clean slate. A few important cautions before you remove anything. There is no undo once an account is removed or data is cleared. If you rely on the app to approve sign-ins or generate codes, you will lose that access on this device until you set it up again. To avoid getting locked out, make sure you have backup sign-in methods ready, such as text messages, email verification, or recovery codes provided by your account security settings. If your organization or personal account supports it, confirm you can use a backup method before you remove an account from Authenticator. This simple check can save you a lot of trouble later. To recap, think of signing out in Microsoft Authenticator as removing accounts. Remove just one account to stop using the app for that login, or clear data on Android to remove everything at once. Proceed carefully, confirm you've got backup methods, and only remove accounts you no longer need. When you're ready, follow the steps we covered, and you'll be signed out exactly the way you intend.